Top three things in Keith's notebook. Top thing is the pound, or top asset is the pound. If you want to buy growth accelerating, we'd recommend staying with our playbook and buying countries with strong currencies. The UK and the pound, obviously represent that very effectively. The key data point out of the UK PMI accelerated again to 57.3 in April versus 55.3 in March. 50 looks very solid on our quantitative model as well. Second thing in Keith's notebook, US 10-year. This has obviously been in the top three relatively consistently. But if we're right and inflation continues to slow growth into Q2, we obviously saw this incredibly disappointing GDP print for Q1. If we're right on this, 2.66 on the 10-year looks primed to test our tail risk line, if not go below 2.59. This is obviously great if you're slow growth yield chasers, and those are the asset plays that have worked in the year to date, but not great if you're long Russell or long higher risk equity investments. Third thing in Keith's notebook is the US dollar. Totally on its knees in the year to date. After the massive GDP miss, despite what all the weather experts had said about nailing the weather, they totally missed the GDP number. The result of that, though, is both the currency market and bond market are front-running what potentially looks like an untaper from Yellen in May, so pulling back of this tapering policy. At least that's what the dollar and Treasury markets are signaling to us.